Find or read reviews that people are talking about Swissklip HaloClean UV Original, Home Disinfection Device, Dust Mites Remover, UV Light for Mold, UV Light Sanitizer. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Up to 99.9% effective sanitization with UV technology used in hospitals and the aviation industry. The HaloClean UV uses advanced UV sanitization to eliminate up to 99.9% of germs, bacteria, and allergens, ensuring cleaner, safer environment for your family and pets. Perfect for home, offices, and small rooms needing deep, reliable sanitization. Comprehensive 360 degrees cleaning power. Effectively sanitizes spaces up to 200 square feet, penetrating into mattresses, pillows, blankets, carpets, and couches. This ensures dust mites, mold, and even stubborn odors are eradicated. Enjoy a fresher, cleaner living space without harsh scrubbing or time-consuming cleaning routines. Chemical-free cleaning. Say goodbye to toxic household cleaners and heavy air purifiers. HaloClean UV provides powerful sanitization without the need for disposable filters and chemical liquids. This makes it a great solution for modern households. Odor elimination at its best. Neutralizes stubborn smells that hide deep in fabrics like mattresses, couches, and carpets. Whether it's pet odors, mold, or household smells, HaloClean UV ensures your living space smells fresh and clean. Supports better air quality. By supporting the elimination of allergens and pollutants, customers have reported that the HaloClean UV sanitizer has helped reduce allergy symptoms, improve breathing, and enhance sleep quality. A must-have for a healthier lifestyle. Year-round family protection. The HaloClean UV light bulb not only prevents the spread of dangerous viruses and bacteria but also provides relief from allergies caused by dust mites and other invaders. It protects your family by keeping your home sanitized, offering relax and improved overall well-being. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching video introduce the latest product YouTube channel. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.